This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, to a location that's close to Belmont Harbor, the 18-mile lakefront trail, and a strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway for a walk through one of the apartments at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive. I'm in apartment 800, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, looking southeast over Lincoln Park toward Lake Michigan. Turning for a look at a through-the-wall air conditioning unit and baseboard heating into a spacious living dining area. There's blonde plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment. One of a variety of finished packages available here at 3130. Looking south, so you're going to be flooded with light when the sun shines. Turning into a nicely updated kitchen. Translucent upper cabinetry. There's a 4-burner electric range, wall-mounted microwave, black appliance package. Turning toward the entryway, you have a mirror in the hallway and a wide coat closet off to your left as you enter. Again, looking at that sun starting to flood the unit. So you head toward the bedrooms and bath. You have a closet with shelving for your linens and bedding. Nicely updated bath. There's Art Deco tile on the floor. Deep soaking tub with a rain shower head. And a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Bedroom, again looking at that plank flooring continuing, and looking out over the park, Belmont Harbor, and Lake Michigan. It's a wide wall of closets. And turning into the larger of the 2 bedrooms, very generously sized. Can accommodate your home office desk, king-size bed, nightstands, additional furniture. That view again out toward the lake. And again, a wide wall of closets. Unusually good storage space. Unusually large bedrooms for apartments in the neighborhood. 3130. Has an attractive suite of amenities, great access to public transit, walking distance to a ton of dining and nightlife. Definitely want to put 3130 on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.